Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to pin folders for quick access in your Windows 11 PC. So go ahead and open up your File Explorer, guys, and once you're inside your File Explorer, if you look towards the left hand side under the navigation panel side, you will see that you have a few folders available, right? And these are pinned because you can see the pinned icon towards the right hand side. Now this is what is called your quick access. Also here in the top section of your File Explorer, it's also called the quick access. So if you notice here, all of these folders that you can see here, it's also shown on the navigation panel on the left side as well. So how do you go about adding folders there for quick access? So let's say you have some folders that you would like to add there so that you can have quick access. This is how you do it. So you first and foremost want to find that folder. So let's say I go to my desktop. I have a bunch of folders there, right? And let's say I want to add this App IQ branding folder here. All I have to do is right click in that folder and you will have the option that says pin to quick access. Now once I click on that, you will see that it's added towards the left hand side under the quick access. Now if I also click on home on the upper left hand side here, you can see that it's also added under the quick access section. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Now at any point in time you want to unpin it, you can simply right click on the folder and click on unpin, or you can even do it from this section as well. So let's say I want to unpin this folder from here, you can right click on that and unpin, and that's it. Quite easy, right? Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.